From the display to the camera, Samsung is undoubtedly going all out with their next breakthrough with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. As of right now, both the sensor specifications and the genuine magic that this will bring to the S24 Ultra's zoom performance have been completely verified. As of right now, Samsung is preparing to introduce a brand new 50-megapixel 3x optical zoom. The brand new 50-megapixel 3x optical zoom sensor's dimensions and specifications have been verified by Ice Universe, who also revealed the cherry on top, the 5x zoom picture quality that Samsung will provide as a result of the increased resolution. Samsung has been putting a lot of effort into developing a high megapixel zoom utilizing the most recent camera sensors and AI technology. As a result, for the first time ever, we will see performance that is almost equivalent to an optical zoom level of 5 times. In addition to the 3x optical quality forward portrait picture performance, as I previously said, this is ideal for those portrait photographs. We don't yet know what modifications will make the S24 Ultra's display superior than the S23 Ultra, but they may include Samsung's brightest display ever or the company's still unavailable Ultra Dynamic Range display, which they previewed back when they held their SID Display Week. There are many ways Samsung can enhance the display on the S24 Ultra, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's very likely we'll see a significant improvement in brightness performance on the S24 Ultra's display. Also, don't forget that the S24 Standard and S24 Plus will both have LTPO, so the entire lineup will get a display upgrade. With the S24 Ultra, Samsung will continue to improve upon its almost flawless smartphone design appearance that it has managed to accomplish over the years. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the first Samsung flagship phone to include a titanium build quality, as was previously rumored and is now being further mentioned in the rumors. This will be a significant improvement over the S23 Ultra from a year ago, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy is finally guaranteed to be the best performing Android CPU of 2024. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.